Welcome to a world where machines dominate the extremes, where power meets danger, and only the toughest survive. From cliff-hanging log carriers to mud-crushing giants, these are the world's biggest and most dangerous heavy equipment beasts. In the heart of a massive industrial site surrounded by a maze of steel structures and cranes, the mammoth PTC 200DS, one of the largest cranes in the world, takes center stage. Towering over everything in sight, this bright red mechanical colossus is more than just a crane. It's a precision-engineered beast with a lifting capacity of up to 5,000 tons and a boom that stretches hundreds of feet into the sky. In the opening moments, drone footage reveals the breathtaking scale of the construction zone, and then the real star appears, a gargantuan distillation column used in oil and gas refineries being slowly lifted off the ground. It's longer than a football field and weighs hundreds of tons. Every cable tightens, every hydraulic piston strains, and every operator holds their breath. As the PTC 200DS begins to rotate on its massive ring base, the camera captures the suspense. This isn't just a lift, it's a dance between machine and gravity. The column swings high into the air, towering over workers who look like ants from above. With unmatched control, the crane carefully maneuvers the column vertically, inch by inch, until it aligns perfectly between two towering frameworks. The final shot captures the moment of triumph. The column is locked into place, standing tall like a monument to human innovation and machine power.
You're looking at the Caterpillar 797F, one of the largest and most powerful mining trucks on the planet. Built for the brutal demands of high production mines, this giant is an unstoppable force in the world of heavy equipment. Powered by a massive C175 20 engine, a 20-cylinder diesel beast that produces 4,000 horsepower, the 797F can haul an unbelievable 400 tons in a single trip. That's more than most trucks move in an entire week. Despite its size, it can reach speeds up to 68 kilometers per hour, even while loaded. Standing over 21 feet tall and stretching nearly 50 feet long, it's hard to truly grasp the sheer scale of this monster until you see people standing next to it, dwarfed like ants beside a mountain. Everything about the 797F is engineered for performance, durability, and efficiency. Its advanced electronic systems constantly monitor payloads, tire pressure, and engine diagnostics to ensure maximum productivity. Each of its 6 enormous tires costs tens of thousands of dollars and is custom-built to withstand the harshest terrains on Earth. Whether it's grinding through scorching desert mines or icy tundras, the 797F is built to work around the clock. With proper maintenance, it can operate more than 6,000 hours a year and continue running for decades. This isn't just a machine, it's a moving fortress of steel and horsepower, redefining the limits of industrial engineering. Meet one of the most powerful land vehicles ever built, the NASA Crawler Transporter CT-2. At first glance, it may seem like a slow-moving beast, but this machine is a mechanical legend, responsible for carrying humanity's most ambitious dreams. Built in the 1960s to support the Apollo missions and now modernized for Artemis, it plays a critical role in transporting rockets from NASA's Vehicle Assembly Building to the launch pad at Kennedy Space Center. The crawler stands nearly 40 feet tall and stretches over 130 feet long. It weighs an astonishing 2,721 metric tons and moves using 8 massive tracks, each made up of 57 shoes weighing 1 ton each. But what's most mind-blowing is its load capacity. It can haul up to 18 million pounds, the equivalent of over 20 fully loaded 747 jets. It moves at just 1 mile per hour when loaded, crawling along a carefully engineered gravel path to minimize vibration and maintain stability of the delicate, towering rocket it supports. In these scenes, the crawler is shown escorting NASA's Artemis 1 rocket, the next-generation launch system designed to return humans to the moon. The operation is slow, deliberate, and awe-inspiring. Engineers and technicians walk alongside the vehicle as it glides across the complex, its platform rising and lowering to keep the load level. It doesn't roar or rush. Instead, it hums with quiet power, fulfilling a mission that few machines on Earth can match, safely delivering a rocket to its launch site so it can break free of Earth's gravity. The crawler isn't just a transporter. It's a symbol of precision, engineering might, and decades of space history, and it continues to carry the future on its steel shoulders.
Buckle up, because what you're witnessing is one of the most dominant giants in the world of surface mining, the P&H 4100 XPC electric rope shovel. Built by Komatsu Mining, formerly known as Joy Global, this machine is the muscle behind some of the largest mining operations across the globe. In this powerful scene, the 4100 XPC, operating with Unit ID 1153 under Boliden, a major Swedish mining company, is captured in full action, ripping into a rock face with purpose and precision. What makes this beast so remarkable isn't just its massive size. Although with a working weight of 1,150 tons, it dwarfs almost everything around it. It's the power and efficiency packed into every movement. The bucket alone can carry 108.9 metric tons, 120 short tons in a single pass, making quick work of even the most challenging digging conditions. It only takes a few cycles to fully load the Caterpillar 797F haul trucks working alongside it. The boom and dipper arm system is electrically powered through massive cables, delivering up to 5,000 horsepower for ultra-heavy-duty performance. And despite its size, it's surprisingly nimble. Advanced electronics allow operators to handle the bucket and arm with remarkable control, reducing cycle times and increasing fuel efficiency across the board. Every detail of this machine is designed with productivity in mind. Its intelligent control system continuously monitors and adjusts operations in real time, helping to extend the life of key components and reduce maintenance downtime. This ensures the 4100 XPC keeps digging day in and day out in some of the world's harshest mining environments. And it's not just brute force. The machine also prioritizes operator safety and comfort.
Rolling slowly yet powerfully through the industrial landscape, this scene captures a true titan of transport engineering, a colossal ABB power transformer being hauled by a precision-engineered modular transporter system from Riga Baumann. This isn't just a delivery, it's a mission in motion, demanding extreme coordination, planning, and specialized equipment. What you're seeing is a heavy-duty transformer, likely weighing between 300 to 400 tons, mounted on a multi-axle self-propelled modular transporter, or SPMT. Each axle line distributes the transformer's immense weight evenly, allowing it to navigate roads and tight industrial corridors with surprising control. These kinds of transformers are critical components in power grids, especially for high-voltage applications like substations or cross-country transmission systems. ABB, one of the world's leading tech companies in power and automation, is known for building some of the most robust transformers in the world. This particular unit appears to be part of a long-haul operation, possibly even a cross-border project, given the scale of the rig and the escort accompanying it. The red modular platform is highly customizable and designed to handle absurdly heavy and oversized cargo that conventional trucks could never manage. Despite its massive size, the entire operation moves with millimeter-level precision. Operators walk beside the unit, controlling the transporter remotely.
You're now witnessing the awe-inspiring assembly of one of the giants of renewable energy, the Nordax Acciona Wind M100 turbine. Towering like a sentinel over the open fields, this scene captures the moment when human innovation meets sheer scale. Using one of the world's largest crawler cranes, engineers and operators meticulously hoist the colossal three-bladed rotor and connect it to the nacelle hundreds of feet in the air. Each blade measures over 49 meters in length, stretching wider than a Boeing 747's wingspan, and together they form the heart of a turbine capable of generating up to 2.5 megawatts of clean, sustainable power. The process is as complex as it is mesmerizing, involving millimeter precision, intense coordination, and cutting-edge lifting equipment. From lifting the hub assembly to aligning it with a nacelle and securing it with high-torque bolts, every step is executed with safety and accuracy as top priorities. This scene showcases not only the engineering brilliance behind wind turbines, but also the silent strength of the machines making it all possible.
It's a perfect blend of power and purpose, proving that even the largest machines can work in harmony with nature to shape the future of energy.
Every movement in this moment is a result of months of planning, weather analysis, load calculations, and site preparation. The foundation itself is a deep, reinforced concrete structure built to handle not just the static weight of the turbine, but the dynamic forces of extreme winds and blade rotation. This isn't just construction, it's high-stakes choreography at industrial scale. And when it's all complete, the MM100 will quietly spin above the landscape, converting wind into clean energy with no emissions, no fuel, and minimal environmental impact. A powerful symbol of what heavy machinery can achieve when built for the future.
Meet the Liebherr R9800, a true titan of mining that redefines what it means to be powerful. This colossal hydraulic excavator weighs over 800 tons and is driven by 2 engines producing a combined 3,000 horsepower. With a staggering 47.5 cubic meter bucket, it lifts nearly 80 tons in a single scoop. In the scene, it looms like a mechanical giant, its massive arms moving with controlled force as it dominates the terrain. Designed for the world's toughest mines, the R9800 blends extreme muscle with high-end precision.
Defying gravity on a highway, this jaw-dropping moment captures a massive crane lifting a stranded truck straight off the edge of a bridge. With heavy-duty straps looped around its undercarriage and tension in the air, the recovery operation showcases precision engineering at work.
Behold the true titan of the mining world, the Belaz 757-110, the largest and most powerful dump truck ever built. Born in Belarus, this giant weighs over 360 tons even before it's loaded. Once in action, it can haul a staggering 450 tons of raw material in a single trip. That's heavier than 5 fully loaded Boeing 737s. Standing taller than a grown adult, each of its 8 colossal wheels supports this mechanical mountain across the unforgiving terrain of open-pit mines. Under the hood, 2 65-liter diesel engines roar to life, producing a combined 4,600 horsepower. The result? A machine that defies its size with smooth, efficient motion and unmatched hauling capacity.
In this high-powered mining scene, a colossal P&H electric rope shovel towers beside a giant haul truck, working in perfect sync to move tons of raw material with precision and power. With every scoop, the earth shakes. This is heavy machinery at its finest. The size, coordination, and efficiency on display highlight the extraordinary scale of modern-day mining.
From record-breaking dump trucks to towering cranes and engineering marvels that defy imagination, these machines aren't just built, they're born to dominate. If you enjoyed witnessing the giants of industry in action, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping tech and machinery. This is Tech Trouble, where heavy meets heroic. Until next time, keep it powerful.